Living rooms, bedrooms, dinettes. Oh yeah, you can find them at the market. We talking about flea market. Montgomery, it's just like a mini mall. Oh yeah, come shop with us. I said flea market.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Lowndes County in south central Alabama, central Montgomery County in south central Alabama, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:05 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from a thunderstorm in the warned area. Flash flooding will remain over many littoral areas of eastern Lowndes and central Montgomery counties. A cluster of showers and thunderstorms will continue across the area the next few hours. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. To report severe weather, call 1-800-856-0758.
Let's bring it on down now.